I got a cyst. I didn't go to my dream college. Lip and cheek tints from ELF. मेरे को जुकाम हो जाता है, मैं तभी नहीं लगाती कि तुम्हारे लिप बाम लगा के मैं बाल उड़े जा रहे हैं। मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं, इसे स्मेल कहते हैं। स्मेल बहुत बेकार है बेटा। Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Preksha and in this video तुम लोगों ने टाइटल से पढ़ लिया होगा, we are going to talk about 2025 favorites, whatever thing or whatever product or whatever habits was my favorite or what I am going to take in 2026 with me. Let's talk about it. Actually काफी सारी चीजें हैं, I don't know where to start from. Should I start from my laptop? Because this is also one of my favorite, and like I got this 1 month ago or something, and I also want to like put on some stickers. Let me know if you guys want me to post some videos or like make a short on how I'm going to decorate my pretty laptop. And also I have got so many things to show you all, so many. Let's get started. So the first thing that I want to talk about is habits. और habits में I have started going to the gym. मैं 2025 में March के around I started going to the gym and मेरे को I got a cyst जबकि I didn't even do much. And this looks so weird now. Like, can you see this thing over here? This is a cyst. Or when I talked to my doctor said that I shouldn't be lifting any object or something heavier. So I stopped going to the gym. I stopped working out, which was a sad part. I feel bad that I got a cyst and I couldn't work out. But I recently started going to the gym again. Because I thought, I know I can't work out with my hands, but I can at least do things with my legs. And obviously this is not a necessity that तुम gym जाके ही workout कर सकते हो, exercise कर सकते हो. For me personally, मुझसे घर पे नहीं होता है, I cannot. So that's why I go to gym. For you, you can go to Pilates, you can work out at home, you can go to gym, whatever suits you. Do it, move your body, do exercises. This is very important for your body. You should be doing this in 2026. And I also didn't wait for 2026 to start कि भाई first January से I'll go to gym. 1st January से ही करूँगी मैं, अभी नहीं कर रही, अभी तो बहुत time है. I didn't think this. I don't wait for the right time. I just do it. If I want to, I will. Also for my girlies who want to see my lip combo, how I did this, you can check out my reel and you can also follow me on Instagram, Preksha_Brijwasi. I'll also post a photo here for you. Check it out on Instagram. This year, 2025 was such a roller coaster for me. I started my business, my own little jewelry business, and I also got my iPhone. I got my laptop. iPhone se I'm making the video, so I couldn't obviously show. So I got like a lot of things. There were many downs as well. I wasn't consistent. I got sick. I got cyst. A lot has happened in this year, but I hope 2025 is ending on a good note and nothing bad happens now. I can only hope, but yeah. And from this year, I started making vlogs. I started making more long-form content on YouTube, which I wasn't able to make like before because I didn't have iPhone, obviously a camera. So yeah, I mean, I should be grateful and I am grateful for whatever has happened with me this year, but a lot of downs as well. I didn't go to my dream college. I didn't go to my dream city. A lot of things happened, but let's not talk about those things. Let's just, continue more. Okay, fine. Let's start from skincare first. First thing that I have here is Dot & Key's serum, and it's pretty good serum for me. Actually, the price point is also good. I got this for like 400 something, I think, and it's really good. मैंने काफी खत्म कर लिया. I don't use toners that much, but it was like this much filled and I've used this much. ज़्यादा use नहीं किया, but for me it is. I don't use products that much. Yeah, I have used a lot actually, and it like soothes my skin, so I think this is a pretty good toner. And after toner, I think moisturizer. I don't have any favorite in moisturizers right now. I think I will try more moisturizers in 2026. After that, I have sunscreen. I have this one from Dot & Key. This is my favorite sunscreen, to be honest. I think I am going to repurchase it in 2026, obviously. I don't know about this toner that I'll repurchase or not, but I'm sure about the sunscreen. I am going to repurchase it. वैसे तो I have a lot of sunscreens already. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't like this one that much because my skin is dry to normal skin types के लिए I don't think this sunscreen is good. So if you have oily skin, then go for it. This is so good. And if you have like a drier or dry to normal or combination skin, then you should have this Foxtail sunscreen. I think I'm going to repurchase it in 2026. For concealer, I use this stick from Swiss Beauty. वैसे तो this stick says that this is highlighter, but कहाँ से ये highlighter लगता है? कहाँ से? Like, आर यू सीरियस? मैंने सोचा तो ये था कि हाईलाइटर होगा, आई यूज इट एज हाईलाइटर, पर दिस इज लिटरली लाइक अ कंसीलर. सो आई मीन स्विस ब्यूटी, आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड फ्रॉम दिस. पर कोई नहीं, कॉन्टोर भी है इसमें ऐसे देखा जाए तो. दिस ऑल्सो हैज अ कॉन्टोर स्टिक. दिस इज अ डुओ स्टिक. मैंने इसे तोड़ भी दिया है काफी. इफ यू कैन सी द क्रैक ओवर हियर, ये काफी गंदी भी हो गई है. I have been using this since I think 2 years and अभी तक ये खत्म नहीं हुआ है. It's still a little left. It looks like a lip balm. Oh my god, it literally is looking like a lip balm. I have love-hate relationship with this because ये मैंने ले लिया है तो I use it, but I don't like it that much. So I don't think I'm going to repurchase it in 2026. A big no from my side. If you have oily skin, then you can try it, but मत ही करना यार, रहने दो. I am very excited to talk about lip products. If you know me, you should know that I love lip products. I literally buy a new lipstick or a new lip balm every other week. Here are my few recommendations from Mars lip liner. These are the two lip liners. This one is like a little bit darker from this one, but I like both of these. I've applied this lip liner. You can see this is in the shade Scandalous Brown. Also, look how pigmented and how good this looks. This one is also good if you have like a fair skin tone, then this will suit you. पर मेरे को दोनों अच्छे लगते हैं. And I am most excited about these lip and cheek tints from ELF. I think I have talked about it, but जितना भी मैं बोलूँ उतना कम है. I bought these from my own money. किसी ने मेरे को पैसे नहीं दिए हैं. So yeah, पहली बात, these are all watery, so you'll not even feel like you are wearing something. I applied this in the shade Left on Red on over here, like I lined my lips from Mars lip liner and then I applied this. So, what do you think? I think this is my favorite lip combo these days. I go everywhere like this. I like this one more. This one is in the shade Pink Positive. I like Left on Red more than Pink Positive, but if you have like a very fair skin tone, very much, then maybe this will suit you. But I have like a fairer skin tone but not that fair, so like you get it now. I have so many more products from Mars. At this point, Mars वालों को मुझे अपना brand ambassador बना देना चाहिए. But I am just कुछ भी बोल रही हूँ मैं. इतना भी नहीं बोलना चाहिए। हा 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 हा, मार्च तक तो मेरी वीडियो जाएगी भी नहीं। हा 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 हा। खैर, this is their viral lipstick and I bought this like a 2 month ago. I don't think I'm going to repurchase it. I think this is not my shade, though this really works on pigmented lips. It has a really good formula, but shade is not what I expected it to be like. तो मेरे स्किन टोन पे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता, but this is how it looks. And this is from their Love Track collection. 10 on 10 for packaging. This is Mars Candylicious lip gloss in the shade 05. This is my go-to lip gloss if you are going to college or you are going to office and you don't want to apply like a whole lip combo or like something heavier. You can literally just apply this and go outside. It's that good. I love this. I think I'm going to repurchase it in 2026. Yes. I have this cutest product. You'll have to see this. Oh my god. This is how it looks. Look at the packaging. यार ये बहुत प्यारा है, मतलब बहुत ही शिट। इसकी स्मेल कितनी गंदी है, मेरे लग तो नहीं गया। सॉरी गिगी बेयर और जीजी बेयर वट एवर यू आर, पर मेरे को आपकी स्मेल अच्छी नहीं लगी। मैंने लिटरली मीशो से ऑर्डर किया था। मुझे ये बोलने में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, पर मुझे ये 400 रुपये का पड़ा है। अच्छा भी, मतलब आई मीन इट्स वर्थ इट, बट लेट मी शो हाउ इट इज। कहाँ से खुलता है ये? पहले तो ये पैकेजिंग है इसकी, बड़ी ऐसे वेलवेट टाइप पैकेजिंग। इट्स वेरी क्यूट, वेरी वेरी क्यूट। लाइक इफ यू लाइक न्यूड काइंड ऑफ लिप्स। कहाँ से खुल क्यों नहीं रहा? खुल गया। दिस इज हाउ द एप्लीकेटर इज। कितना कूल है, देखो एप्लीकेटर ही कितना कूल है। दिस इज लिटरली लाइक बटर ऑन योर लिप्स। यू विल नॉट इवन फील लाइक यू आर वेयरिंग समथिंग आफ्टर दिस। इट्स दैट गुड। तो अगर तुम्हें ऐसा कुछ चाहिए कि लाइक न्यूड ब्राउन लिप्स हो और तुम्हें फ्रेग्रेंस से इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस मुझे लाइक आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ दिस फ्रेग्रेंस। इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस ना वैसी है, आयोडेक्स लगाते हैं, आयोडेक्स विग्स ऐसी सी फ्रेग्रेंस है इसकी। आई डोंट थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू रिपर्चेस इन 2026, क्योंकि प्लीज इसको थोड़ा फ्रेग्रेंस, थोड़ी इसकी अगर इसमें फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं भी होती ना तो भी मेरे को चलता, पर वो आयोडेक्स वगैरह में मेरे को जुकाम हो जाता है, मैं तभी नहीं लगाती कि तुम्हारे लिप बाम लगा के मैं। कोई बात नहीं, ज्यादा गुस्सा नहीं करते, मेरे गले में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है। हाँ, और आई लिटरली जस्ट गॉट दिस yesterday and I want to show you all. This is Swiss Beauty की Pure Matte Lipstick in this shade 230 Brandy Harrington. Oh my god, this literally looks like a dupe from MAC. इसकी खुशबू ना मुझे चॉकलेट जैसी लग रही है थोड़ी थोड़ी। खा जाओ। नहीं, this is very pretty. It's like a nude brown type of a lip color. If you are looking for brown type of lipsticks, then you should go for this one. I bought it yesterday. I applied it and I liked it. Am I going to purchase it again? Maybe, maybe not. I like to try more and more lipstick, lip gloss, lip liners वगैरह, rather than repurchasing the old same. I like to change and try more and more. This is Dorian Key's lip balm. I think I have talked about it already, but it's good. It has SPF 50, PA+++. So yeah, it's like a pretty good lip balm. Also अभी मेरे पास वैसलीन की वो OG रोजे लिप्स लिप थेरेपी नहीं है मेरे पास, but That's actually really good. मैंने उसको थोड़ा अंडर एस्टिमेट कर लिया था, पर वो बहुत अच्छी है. I didn't know this. It is very good. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? So yeah, it's actually really good. If you have like very dry, chapped lips, especially in winters, you'll really, really like it. अगर और कोई लिप बाम तुम्हें नहीं लेनी है and you don't like pinky type of lips, उसमें ना तो इतना टिंट है, तुम लगाओगे तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा तुमने कुछ लगा रखा है. एंड आई लाइक टू अप्लाई इट एंड देन स्लीप. तो जब मैं उठती हूँ सुबह तब आई गेट really nice lips, hydrated as well. एक लिपस्टिक की रिकमेंडेशन रह गई थी, इट्स दिस फ्रॉम इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स. पहले तो 9.5 on 10 फॉर द पैकेजिंग. इट्स एक्चुअली लिटरली लुकिंग लाइक अ ट्यूब. मैं ट्यूब से लिपस्टिक लगाती हूँ. इट इज वेरी कूल. और ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइक इट्स वेरी टूटने वाली पैकेजिंग. इट इज नॉट. इट्स वेरी. कैन यू हियर दिस? ये नहीं टूटेगी. इट्स गुड. I mean, what else do I need to say? It's just good. फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं, इसे स्मेल कहते हैं. स्मेल बहुत बेकार है बेटा. सॉरी इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स. थोड़ा वो PR आ जाता तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगी. ओके, वन मोर कैटेगरी दैट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इज शैम्पूज. क्योंकि मेरे बाल उड़े जा रहे हैं. द अमाउंट ऑफ हेयर जो मेरे टूट रहे हैं, मैं उन हेयर से एक घर बना सकती हूँ यार. प्लीज, इफ यू गेट इट. डोंट आस्क मी व्हाई आई सेड दैट. प्लीज गेट इट. सो देयर इज दिस वन शैम्पू from Be Blunt that I ordered like few months ago, and I really liked it. To my surprise, I don't like shampoos that much. I was using L'Oreal's shampoo, like वो पर्पल कलर की जो बोतल होती है, वो मैंने 1 लीटर वाली मंगाई थी. वो बहुत बड़ी थी, पता नहीं कहाँ रखी है वो खत्म हो गई थी. तो देन आई थॉट लाइक आई शुड ट्राई मोर शैम्पूज. क्योंकि मेरा हेयर फॉल कॉन्टिन्यूसली चले जा रहा है. आई कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. मैंने सोचा कि मैं हेयर फॉल कंट्रोल शैम्पू मंगा लेती हूँ. मे बी इट विल हेल्प मी. अभी मतलब ऐसे कुछ खास असर नहीं दिखाया मुझे, बट इट क्लीन्स माई हेयर काफी अच्छे से. मेरे काफी लाइक सॉफ्ट बाल हो जाते थे, फ्रिजी नहीं रहते. तो आई थिंक बी ब्लेंड के ना सारे शैम्पूज मेरे को ठीक लगते हैं. आई हैव ट्राइड थोड़े 1-2 और शैम्पूज, और इसके जैसे एक और शैम्पू और रखा है. वो रेड कलर की बोतल है. अगर फोटो होगी तो मैं फोटो लगा दूंगी तुम लोगों के रेफरेंस के लिए. वो मैंने पूरी खत्म कर दी है बोतल. तो वो भी शैम्पू अच्छा है. वो तो हेयर फॉल कंट्रोल के लिए, इफ यू वांट you can have this. And if you will ask me, am I going to order more shampoo from Be Blunt again? A big yes. I will order. I really liked it. So if you also are facing same issues, you can try it out. Let's move on to another category, which is body wash. One body wash which is my favorite is from Dove. ये बहुत बड़ा है. This is like 1000 ml, मतलब 1 लीटर की this bottle is. और हाँ, मतलब इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस भी अच्छी है. This is rose soothing. इसको काफी पिचका दिया है मैंने. Shit, क्या हो गया ये? I like this body wash. I think I'm going to repurchase it in 2026. Am I missing out on? Oh, मैं चाहती नहीं हूँ ये हरकतें वीडियो में करना, हो जाती है.